How to create email campaign with Mailerlite. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create email campaign with Mailerlite. So it's a very quick and easy process. So just stick around till the very end of this video and let's get started. So first of all, at the home dashboard, as you can see, you can start creating a campaign right away from the dashboard itself. All you have to do is just click on create, and here you will see these options for creating campaign, creating form, sites and automation. And you can also choose the option for creating campaign from the dashboard home screen itself. And you have another option where you can select the campaign section from the left hand side of the screen. So just click on campaign. So here you have 4 options available to you. Either you can go ahead and click on regular campaign and create and send a regular email campaign to your selected subscribers. And you can also create a split campaign where the campaign will be sent into email verification to a sample group and to see which platform performs better with that particular campaign. You can also create RSS campaign which automatically send new content from your website or blog. And you will also have the option to send auto resend campaign where subscriber will get a second chance to open your newsletter. Sometimes what happens is that people receive an email and they do not open it, and so in this particular feature the email campaign will be sent to the receiver again and they have the option to open it then. So for this particular video, I'm just gonna show you with the regular campaign. So just click on continue. Now you just have to fill in the campaign details. So the campaign name, the subject and other details. So I'm just gonna name this campaign as product campaign. Now the subject campaign. So the subject campaign and the name of the campaign should be same, because when you want to get to the insight to know which campaign of your performed well, so you will be able to track it better if your subject and the campaign name is similar. So it just makes it even more easier. So I'm just gonna keep it similar. Now so I'm just gonna edit this sender with my personal name so that the viewer or the receiver would connect to me personally. The person who has sent the email are talking to them personally, not through any company or something like that. So I'm just gonna write my own name, and after that you can also add a pre-header if you want and the recipients. You can click on add all active subscribers or a new group. So I'm just gonna click on all active subscribers and just click on select and just click on next content. And here on this screen you can see that you have so many options. You can either use a drag drop editor or rich text editor or custom HTML editor, or you can either select by a template gallery or recent emails. So I'm just gonna click on template gallery. Now as you can see, there are so many options available in the template section where you can choose and start editing right away. So let's suppose I'm choosing this particular template, so just click on it. And now the process is really simple. All you have to do is just drag and drop the things that you want to edit and add to your email campaign according to the email campaign that you want to send out to people out there. So all you have to do is just click on these tools at the left hand side of your screen and it will open this pop-up. So for example, if you want to add some element for title, so just click on titles and drag and drop into your email campaign the template that you have chosen. And now so the editing template setting will appear on the right hand side. So you can choose the background of the text or the content style or the header or the font of the text. So all you have to do is just bring the cursor on the element that you have just created and just click on the editing tool. And now you can select the heading format. Like for example, I'm selecting this one and just click on save. And now you can edit it according to you and give the title to your email campaign. So let's suppose I'm writing new campaign, enter. So this is how you can add other things as well. For example, I want to add pictures, so just click on gallery and now you have the option to add single image, 2 image, 3 image, 4 image, as much as image you want to add. So let's suppose I want to add one single image. So I'm just gonna drag and drop here, and now all you have to do is just click on it and it will give you an option to select the image from your system. So I'm just gonna click on edit. So you will see this picture icon and here just click on it, and now you have to select the image you want to add to the page. So I'm just gonna click on upload image, and now just select any of the image you want. I'm just clicking on this one, and now the picture is getting uploaded here, and just click on insert. Now as you can see that my picture has been inserted here in my email campaign. So likewise you can edit any other details, like if you want to add a content, so you can click on content and drag and drop any of the format that you like and edit the particular piece of content format that you want to create. And once you're done with editing, just click on preview and text, or you can also click on done editing. I'm just gonna click on done editing. Now you will also have the option to preview your email campaign before even launching it. And now you just have to schedule your campaign, and you will get all these options that you want to send it now or send it later, and based on the time zone. So you can select and customize the sending time and according to you. And you will also get the option to edit the details that you have already mentioned in the email section and you're not satisfied with, like the subject name, sender name, language, or tracking options. So once you're done setting up the time or the sending details and the campaign details, all you have to do is just click on send. So this is basically how you can create email campaign with Mailerlite. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.